buy Brawl Pass with debit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Brawl Pass with your debit card. So first of all, just open your Brawl Star account, and after that just simply log into your account using your Supercell ID. And once you are logged in into your account, just click on the shop section from the home screen itself at the left hand side of the screen. And over here you will have different options that you can explore in the shop section in your Brawl Star account. But since you want to buy Brawl Pass, just click on the first option that you will see right in front of you, and over here you will have two different options to buy Brawl Passes. So for example, you want to buy the Brawl Pass which will cost you around $5.99, but if you want to buy the advanced version of the Brawl Pass which is called Brawl Pass Plus, so you have to pay around $8.99 for that. So just simply select the one of the Brawl Pass that you would want to buy. For example, I want to buy the second one, so just simply click on it. As soon as you click on the Brawl Pass that you would want to buy, the pop-up menu will appear right in front of you as a payment method, and over here you will have different payment method options. For example, you can go ahead and use your credit or debit card, your UPI, net banking and other options. But since you want to make the purchase using your debit card, just simply click on the first link. Just simply click on add credit or debit card, and over here just simply add your credit card details like your credit card number, CVC code and other details. And once you're done adding your credit card right here, just make the purchase happen, and this way you will be able to buy Brawl Pass with your debit card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.